thank you for checking out my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Hi guys, so this video is part of our Excel tutorial. So we're done na guys na sa beginning category. So now we're going to second category, which is the advanced. Okay? So share ko lang guys, no, marami kasi nagtatanong sa akin paano daw ba gamitin yung Vlookup. So another formula kasi yun sa Excel na sobrang makakatulong sa inyo guys. So kung alam niyo to guys, no, sobrang mapapadali niyo yung buhay niyo sa trabaho guys, no. So this video guys is for you. Okay, so our topic for today is about Vlookup formula. Okay, so pag-aaralan natin guys kung paano ba natin babasahin yung Vlookup argument. Okay, so if you're ready guys, okay, so let's get started.
Hello guys, so welcome to my screen. Our topic for today is about Vlookup. So meron lang tayong two scenario here, no? So first scenario, what if pinapahanap sa atin is anong product ang binili ng ating customer. So makikita nyo dito guys, no? We are looking from left papunta sa right. Kasi ang kailangan natin makuhang data is the product. Okay? The question is, can we use Vlookup here? The answer is yes. Okay? So, pwede natin gamitin ang Vlookup dito. Next scenario guys. So, we have data, no? Ang hinahanap naman natin for today is customer. Sinong customer ang pumili na itong product na ito? For example, guys, no, is itong laptop, sinong customer ang bumili? So, ganun ang hanap natin, no? From right naman tayo, papunta sa left. Okay? The question is, do you think pwede natin gamitin ng Vlookup dito? The answer is no. So, bakit no guys? Kasi ang Vlookup ginagamit lamang natin to in a simple lookup. Okay? And left to right lang siya. Okay? So, pag ganitong scenario guys kasi na from right to left o kaya sa center yung result na hahanapin natin or kung saan saang area, ang pwede natin gamitin dito is tinatawag na index match formula. Okay? Pero kapag Vlookup ang ginamit nyo guys, laging tatandaan is from left papunta lang siya sa right. So, kumbaga one way lang tayo. No? So, here guys, we're going to discuss the Vlookup argument. So, let's go. Hello guys. Okay, welcome to my screen. Our topic for today is all about Vlookup. Okay, so Vlookup guys, always remember na ginagamit lang natin to in a simple lookup. Meaning, ang sinesearch natin is from left papunta sa right. Okay? So, yung result lagi is papunta sa kanan. Okay? Kasi hindi siya pwedeng papunta sa kaliwa or sa gitna or kahit saang pwesto lang, no? Kasi ang Vlookup is one-way looking lang siya. Okay? Kasi maraming nalilito dito kung kailan ginagamit yung Vlookup. Okay? So, here guys, meron tayo ditong data, no? So, we have the name of the customer, quantity, sales, price, and then the product. Okay? So, ang gagamitin natin guys is si customer. Okay? Since marami tayong customer, we can use the data validation here. So, how to do the data validation? Okay, so go here to data tab. Okay? And then click data validation and then click data validation again. Okay, so here select the list, okay, and then select your source, and then here's your customer 1 up to customer 16. Okay, then hit enter and then okay. So as you can see here guys, so we have now the list of our customer up to customer 1 hanggang customer 16. So for an example, we'll be choosing customer 3. Okay? So, gamitin na natin ngayon yung ating Vlookup formula. So, equal sign to denote the formula, and then type the Vlookup, and and then open parentheses, and it will now show the argument. Okay, so first argument natin guys is the lookup value, meaning ano ba yung hinahanap natin. So here guys, sa example natin, ang hinahanap natin is customer. Okay, so comma, table array. So again, yung array guys, diba is yung mapa natin. So here guys, hindi lang siya isang row yung kailangan natin, no? Since table yung hinahanap natin, so kailangan natin i-highlight yung buong table natin, no? Which is dun makikita yung ating lookup value and the result na hinahanap natin. So highlight lang natin yung buo, and then comma, and then column index number. Okay, so ibig sabihin na ito guys, kung pang ilang column yung gusto nating result na makita. Since yung result na gusto nating makita is the product, so bilangin natin kung pang ilan si product, no, na column. So first column, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So meaning, yung column index natin is located in the fifth. Okay, so just put 5 and then comma, and then always choose guys the exact match, okay, para makuha natin yung buong yung exact result. So type false, okay, and then close parenthesis and hit enter. Okay, so let's check now. So si customer 3 daw is we have a type of product, which is correct. Okay, so next guys is we're looking now for the price. So equal sign again, then type the vlookup, open parentheses, and then our lookup value is the customer name, and then comma, then table array again. So i-highlight natin yung buong table na doon makikita yung ating hinahanap and yung result natin. Okay, so okay, highlight nyo lang yan. And mapapansin nyo pala guys, no? So, hina-highlight natin lahat kahit hindi naman natin kailangan yung quantity and sales, no? Okay, so, kailangan natin kasi siyang daanan para makapunta dun sa product or sa price na hinahanap natin. Okay, so, hindi ka pwedeng B, sa column B ka lang pupunta tapos bilang tatanong ka sa E. So, hindi pwede yun. Kailangan dire-diretso guys. Okay, so, and then, count ulit natin kung pang ilang column index siya. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it's located in the 4th column. And then close parentheses and hit enter. So double check natin guys, no? So si customer 3 has a 30 pesos cost or price. Okay, so tama. Next guys naman is what if naman guys, no, walang price na binigay pero may binigay sa atin na ang quantity and sales, no? Pwede pa rin ba natin magamit si vlookup dito? So let's try, no? So equal sign vlookup, and then vlookup table natin is si customer, and then comma. Okay, so ang lookup table natin is here up to here. Okay, and then kung pang ilan si index is si price 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, wala palang price na. So quantity, okay, by sales, which is 1, 2, 3 pang third, no? And then over mo siya sa vlookup ang ating customer, okay, which is okay, yung quantity natin is pangalawa. Okay, so see guys, so lumabas pa rin yung 30 na price. So pwede natin gamitin pa rin yung vlookup para makuha yung missing amount ng price by dividing the sales over the quantity. Guys, yung data table natin is located in the another sheet. Okay, so isipin nyo lang guys, kunwari wala itong data natin, no? So ang available lang sa atin is the drop down ng customer. Okay, for example, customer 3 din, no? So try natin kung same information pa rin yung lalabas kung gagana ang ating vlookup, na ang ginagamit natin, ang lookup value, ang lookup natin is another sheet. Okay? Kasi yung una nating example guys is the same sheet lang. So let's try kung gagana. So equal sign, type in vlookup, then open parentheses, first argument says the lookup value, which is the customer, and then the table array. Okay, so it is now located in the another sheet. So you need just to click the sheet, okay, and then highlight again the table, okay, kung saan nakalocated yung lookup value nyo and yung result na hinahanap nyo. Since ang hinahanap natin is the product, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so fifth, and then exact match, so false, okay, and then close parenthesis and hit enter. Okay, see guys, gumagana pa rin siya kahit nasa ibang sheet yung ating reference table. So let's try again for the price. So equals vlookup, okay, oops, vlookup, and then lookup value again, which is the customer, and then comma, and then table array located again. Okay, so tandaan natin price na hinahanap natin for today, and then table, which is your table array, highlight again the data, and then column kung pang ilan siya, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so pang 4 na siya yung price, and then false again for the exact match. Okay, so hit enter. So as you can see guys, we got the same information, which is 30. Okay, so another last one, equals sign. What if naman guys, no, hindi given yung price, ang binigay lang sa atin is the quantity and sales. Okay, so makukuha pa rin ba natin yung price? Let's check. Okay, so look up natin is the customer, and then comma, and then yung table. Okay, highlight again. Okay, so and then comma. Okay, so what we are looking first is the sales. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, so pang third. Okay, and then close parenthesis, and then over. Okay, so i-divide natin siya sa quantity para makuha natin kung magkano yung price. Okay, so type again vlookup, open parenthesis, and then lookup value mo is si customer again, okay, which is age 17. Okay, and then comma, and then yung table natin again here, and then now our column is at the second. Okay, so and then comma, and then false for exact match, and then close parenthesis and hit enter. Okay, see, we get the same answer even nasa ibang dimension, ibang sheet na siya, no? So okay, so that's it for our vlookup topic, and remember, vlookup is used for simple lookup and left papunta sa right. Okay, so nagagamit siya even kasi yung table is same sheet, or pwede din nasa ibang sheet. Okay, yung lookup table natin. Okay, so I hope guys naintindihan nyo yung vlookup. Remember, always read the argument guys, no, para matandaan nyo yung formula. Okay, kesa kinakabisado nyo lang siya. I always read the argument guys. Okay, so thank you guys for listening on my video, and stay with me until the end. And I hope guys you learn something about vlookup, and keep on practicing lang guys, no, kasi makakatulong sa inyo to, hindi lang kapag nagtatrabaho kayo, no. Pag nagbi-business kayo, magagamit nyo din to guys. Okay, so thank you guys, bye bye.